Today we will make ginger beer. Just kidding, I'm sorry. Hey everybody, what we got going on today, I am going to get this ginger potted up that I sprouted. I'm trying something new with this. Usually you just stick it in the ground and it grows here, but kind of wanted to make sure that it was sprouting. Got this stuff from the grocery store, so you never know what they sprayed it with. So this is actually from Sprout, kind of like a Whole Foods competitor here. I'm gonna go ahead and add some more soil to this. Fire ants ended up leaving my compost, so we're good there. They just aren't happy when you move them. But it looks like they moved on. So as you can see here, got it filled up to this line. I'm just gonna go ahead and see here, I've been growing this in a 10-20 tray. Just pull it out here. The ginger is interesting. It's got a nice little rhizome there. Go ahead and move that one a little bit. Anyways, there we go. Got a nice little pot full of ginger now that I can go put in the row somewhere. And I've got a few more sprouts. But as you can see, I've got a few that didn't really sprout. So found a suggestion online to do it this way. A couple more that did sprout. Hopefully this will grow up and we'll get some roots. And we'll dig these up sometime on a later video. Talk to you guys soon.